और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Otherwise, you can contact. You can. Our government, what doing is they have to clear the road, make good road. Here is culvert construction. I understand. But before doing all those things, we have been, arranging our laborers. They are constructing house here to stay and to make good communication with your government and our government. That's what. Before doing the work, please make that communication. Right. Before starting the work, please make that communication to our government. So this is our land. So how we need to take permission? This is our land. We have can establish.
Kontraktor uban Assam ulawan ra nong troy ringkat kitiar gitar de kajing tmu ban sedang pentrei no ikan jing penhe surok ha Shnong Mawsikar ke Shnong kebadan ha kithan langpi mas nyo jing tip ya kani kipat Nongshong Shnong ke Mawsikar kelakhi bitar beklemi pat ba ban khangla de kajing tmu namal bakim kwa pakasor kar Assam kan keta ya kan kakam kat bampat la ban penbe yo pu usam ha pedang ke Meghalaya bat ka Assam. Kini ke kubor kalau poi sigi ko jeng gibor punya district jongko west Khasi Hills batang ring kat tukan nipor kelawan poi haga dengan jaka bentem mi kipat ba bakila phalit phaino yu kontraktor bakinong tri jong u Hendrik khamsa chipang utau kontraktor wan poi biang harangkar kejing senran ki Pulit Assam bakila persangru ban pinyeng yeng share dara ban pensa yakinong tri kipat ba kala pen berkim ailat hitedot bu kontraktor unya dan bor bat khaddo la pendam peruhab bani phaino nangan ga jaka kumju ru ki Pulit Assam bagi non tri jong u
We have come here to analyze the situation. To see the whatever happened, we don't know. But हमने किस लिए आ गए हम देखने के लिए आए. हम ये नहीं कि आपको आपसे बात करने आते हैं. तो आपने ऐसा एटीट्यूड दिखा. I'm not in the position to talk with anyone. If you want to talk, you can talk with our government, get RDC. At least we can talk now. We just came here to meet. You are representing your Meghalaya, I am representing Assam. We just come here to meet in the situation. These are my people. You ask them. You are doing government work. You are not political. Okay. I am also not political. I am analyze. We are not coming for a class and all. Cool down. So we need to discuss. That's it. You see, I'm not in the position to discuss. If you want to discuss, you can talk with RDC, with our government. I have no problem. But with me, I have no authority to discuss. It's okay. It's okay. But between your police, your police, your police. So there needs to be some good communication. It should not be we are beginning. We are not illegal. The people are suffering this way. We have to what we did to become in the common sense. We have to maintain peace and order. Yeah, that's it. That's why. What is our duty? To keep both the sides peace. So basic hierarchy and this should be maintained. You can refer to your distance, I will refer to my distance. So there is no reason that we go to shout at each other. I'm not something to shout at each other. Okay. But before the arrangement or anything made by our government and your government from your DC and RDC, so all the things should stop. After everything is arranged, everything is clear, then you can proceed the work. No problem. Otherwise, you can contact. You can. Our government, what doing is they have to clear the road, make good road. Here is culvert construction. I understand. But before so doing all those things, we have been, arranging our laborers. They are constructing house here to stay and to make good communication with your government and our government. That's what. Before doing the work, please make that communication. Right. Before starting the work, please make that communication to our government. So this is our land. So how we need to take permission? This is our land. We have
You see,
can
I
establish.
think you see, if I'm not mistaken, both our governments and your government have signed one MOU. So based on that, you can communicate, you can contact, you can whatever you is deemed fit from your side, you can do it. But the work should be stopped. After the proper order, after the proper clarification or arrangement from both sides, then you can start. I have no problem with that. But the work should be stopped after everything is arranged in proper way. Due follow the due procedure, then you can start the work.
All are in proper order, proper norm. This is our land. We are going to construct culvert here. And for that, we have organizing to stay our labors here. To process go on
You have to communicate first
to whom?
to our government, to our DC.
So this is our land. Why should we communicate to this government?
This is also is our plan. The MOU between two governments already, I hope, already. So you also should understand that.
We have also paper, you also have paper.
I think both the side, before doing anything, communication should be there, isn't it? If I'm not mistaken. That is the main thing. But from your side, I think up to this date also there is nothing. So at least communicate first. And then you start
Okay,
the work.
let's stop later on. No, it's okay. And we'll start later.
You see, sir, if I don't, it's not my position to explain you everything, but from your side, you know that. But if you don't do that one, then we are bound to do everything.
So who is written this?
That's why I don't know. I'm not questioning that. Like,
This is our land. And if you are also patrolling here, you should know. You are this thing. You are saying that this is our my people. You are representing your people. You should know. You are doing duty here.
but before starting any work, please from your side, if you can.